Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do reverse product research using the strategy called Storefront Stalking for your Amazon FBA business. And before I start, I just want to encourage you guys to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to post the link below in my descriptions, and that way you guys can learn how to sell on Amazon for free and also network with other sellers. So yeah, Storefront Stalking. So you start this strategy by picking an Amazon listing that looks like this, and then you use Seller Amp. You go to the bottom of the page and you look for other sellers. So you usually pick a seller with, I want to say, like 200 or less as far as reviews. So this one should be a good candidate. And from here, I would open up the seller's store. And then I would go through the seller's products. So with this strategy, I usually pick products that have at least a max cost of $10. And that way it gives you enough margins, right? Or enough space for you to make some money when you arbitrage this on Amazon. So this one is a good candidate. So I go click on the Google page and Amazon page of the product. And then what I do is I go to Google Shopping. And the max cost is $15.66, right? So now I'm gonna look for products that are $15.66 or less. And that's where I usually start because it's the easiest metric to use to search, right? So this one, but it's not the same product, not the same product. Yeah, I usually go through like a few products, a few pages, and if I don't see it, I usually skip it right away to save time on it. And then I keep going down the list, right? So again, max cost should be at least $10. So this one, the max cost is $20.26. So again, I go to Google Shopping, and I just look at 2026 or less. So I think, is this the one or is it not? So this one's 130 treats. This one, I don't think it's 130, but let's see. No, 43 pieces, so no. This one looks like 43 also. 11, so no. Yeah, so we're looking for this product with 130 pieces, right? So those are not it. This one could be it, but the price is kind of high. Actually, no. The max cost is $20.26. Okay. It's not it. So this is not it. Let's see. This one could be it. Yeah. This one could be it. Let's see. Okay. This one's 43 pieces, so it's not it. So this one is 130 pieces. I think this is it. This one could be it too. Okay. So I think that's it, right? Teeny. Okay. 130 for dogs, 5 to 15 pounds. Okay, same. Okay, it looks the same. So if you run the numbers, 1997, I think, okay, it's good. The problem though, or actually it's not a problem, but I just want to check the supplier's website because I'm not familiar with the website. So what I would do is I would copy this and then, I would Google the I would Google the website. So I usually type review and then website, and then I see if this website is legit or not. Um, let's see. Go get pet supplies. So gotpetsupplies.com. This one is a 5-star reviews. Okay. Okay, that's good. Let's see. So gotpetsupplies.com. Okay. And then here, let's see. Gotpetsupplies.com. It has 2,700 reviews with 4.91 out of 5. Okay. So you should read to make sure it's not bogus. Okay, looks good. Looks like people are happy with his business. And then I check if it's really the website, gotpetsupplies.com. So yeah, same. Wow, okay, same website. So now we found one, right? And then we can check too if it's really good. So, and of course you got to be eligible to sell it, right? So I would make sure that you're eligible to sell it. And then this one's a variation. So you usually go to variation, and then I pick the exact variation, which is auto selected usually, and then click on check. Oh wow, okay, this one's really good. So this one is getting 40% or 39% of the sales. So I would take 39% of this number, which is 38,930 times. So this one is getting 15,000 sales a month, right? And these are all the sellers. Okay, looks good. And then if we look at the Keepa chart, I mean, the only concern really is that Amazon is on the listing. And they had a history of dropping their price to like $30. So if you type in $30 here, it's gonna be negative, right? Let's see. I mean, Amazon is currently pricing this at $39.24, and they have like 27 left in inventory, so I think it's good. So Amazon is getting 88% of the sales, which is also a bit concerning, but I feel like there's enough sales volume anyway. There's 15,000 sales, right, to share. So I mean, yeah, I think we found a good one. I think this is good. So I hope you guys got value from my video. And again, if you like my videos, please join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm going to post it in the description below, and that way you guys can learn how to sell on Amazon and also network with other sellers. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.